What's the meaning of autonomously? Autonomously. Autonomously.
Autonomously. Autonomously. The term autonomously refers to the ability of a system or machine to operate and function without external control or influence. It implies independence and self-governance, with no need for human intervention or guidance. An autonomous system is capable of decision-making and executing tasks according to predetermined rules or algorithms, based on input data and feedback. This concept has become increasingly relevant in robotics, artificial intelligence, and other fields where machines must interact with complex environments or perform intricate operations. Overall, autonomy enables more efficient, reliable, and flexible operations, with less risk of error or failure due to human error.